Split is a method to break up a big string into substrings, and it returns a list of substrings. That's what it does. Here's an example. So this is our variable. I've named it words underscore out, and it equals string. So this is an input string dot split, and then I'm going to split anything in there based upon the underscore. We'll see what that means in a second. So longer strings must have 1+ separating characters. It can be anything like this. The default parameter is space. And so let's just jump into an example and it'll be clear. Okay, our string is this is fun, and words equals string dot split. Then we'll print words, and then we'll print this to see what this looks like. Now I've already run it, but we'll run it again to show you that it's real. Okay, so this is the first right here, print words. So we have a list of this is fun. So it broke up our string, this is fun, into this list, which is 3 parts. This is fun. Okay, then if we do this, words of 0, words of 1, words of 2, we end up with this is fun, and sort of put back the way it was. Okay, the next thing is we'll start over with this is fun, and we'll put underscore. So this underscore is underscore fun, so it's roughly the same as this up here, but we'll use underscores. Then we say words equals string dot split, and instead of this default right here, we're going to say split on underscores. So now we'll print that again, and what we end up with is the same result up here. This is fun. So it found each of these underscores and it used that to split the string apart. Okay, so same exact result as this, but as you can see, you do not have to split just on space. You can split on any character like this that you would like. Okay, there are some other things that are loosely related. You can use it with a length method, so it will tell you the number of characters and the number of words. So just print the header right here, but going down here we'll print the length of words, and that's from up here. So we have string and words. Print the length of words. So we're going to get 3. And what we have is we have 3 words in the list, which is this is fun, okay. And down here we print length of string, and it will give us 12 because there are 12 characters in this is fun. Okay, and then kind of as a last exercise, just as a reminder of what goes on in lists. So we'll start out with the word fun and with an exclamation point. Then we'll say, okay, x equals list of word, so x equals list of fun. Then we're going to print x. We're going to print this, so x of 0, comma, x of 1, comma, etc., etc. And here we're going to say x of 0 plus x of 1 plus x of 2. And over here we can see the results are very different. This is we just printed x. So we got a list with all the commas and quotation marks and everything, the delineators. The next one is fun. So the commas put the separation in there, the spaces. And then the last one is print of this, and it reassembled the word fun for us. So it's back in its original format. So just a reminder on how lists work. So when you're doing this, you kind of have to have this in mind. Okay, well that was it for the split. Hope you found it useful and interesting in your Python programming.